तो तस्वीरें लाइव हैं। स्वागत छोटे छोटे बच्चों से किस तरह से ब्रिटिश आर्मी की महिला विंग की अध्यक्ष मिल रही हैं। और ये
age about 2.5 to 3 years. 2.5 to 3 years of age.
Can I take them all home?
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
हेलो जी, अभी पालो स्टिकर सारे।
Thank you.
मेरी फ्री प्रमोशन हो रही है। So look here, so. Don't worry me.
I think your son would like to try
Actually,
my
we are going to
hat on.
welcome you over there in the auditorium. Yes.
Would you like to try my hat on, do you think?
एक मिनट साइड करना मैम।
Wait.
Oh, lovely. Can we get a photo?
Pratik sir.
अरे वाह, क्या बात है।
आप इधर आइए ना। अरे
Look at that, Siddharth. Big. Oh, look at that. Thumbs up. Then nice one. School के बच्चे ने।
He's loving it. चलो मैम।
चलो next.
Thank you, ma'am.
अब दे दो. Thank you.
चलो।
Can I have it back?
हेलो करो। आजो आजो। Say hello. Say hello, ma'am.
उन्हें देनी नहीं है. Oh well.
चलो आजो।
चलिए
मैम प्लीज कम। अच्छा आओ छोटे बच्चे ना फोटो।
मैम ऐसा
थोड़ा बाहर ले सर। हैंड डाउन कर हैंड। हाँ ना ये सब अशोक जी बैठ
थोड़ा पीछे हो गया।
हाँ मैम
कर लो।
एक गैप बना लो,
गैप थोड़ा बना लो ना, बढ़िया हो जाएगा। थोड़ा पीछे हो जाओ जी बेटा। एक्सक्यूज मी मैम, थोड़ा सर थोड़ा गैप बना लो।
सर प्लीज इधर प्लीज लुक एट द कैमरा।
It's finished now.
ये छोटे छोटे बच्चे, मासूम बच्चे, और किस तरह से अरे बिल्कुल।
Suffer, sir. They are demanding for the army stickers and loving it.
अरे वाह, क्या बात। तो ये है
जय हिंद बोलिए.
जय हिंद, जय भारत। अरे वाह, जय हिंद। तो ब्रिटिश आर्मी और भारत के लोग एक साथ जय हिंद बोलते हैं और ये है भारत माता की जय। फिलहाल तस्वीरें हैं, लाइव तस्वीरें।
सलाम करो।
चलो चलते हैं। अब म्यूजियम दिखाएंगे, ऐसा म्यूजियम जिसके नाम है कई विश्व रिकॉर्ड और कई और रिकॉर्ड दर्ज होने वाले। बहुत बेहतरीन स्कूल और वीडियो का एक हिस्सा है और हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं तस्वीरें लगा दो। तो
And this is about the, we can see atta for the floor, which is wheat grind.
चरखा, आटा की चक्की,
The olden times are old ladies or grandmothers.
They used to make it at the homes.
Grind the flour.
Grind it at the homes only. And this is very heavy in weight.
We put wheat from this side
चक्की भी,
and keep on grinding that.
This is very heavy in weight.
हत्थे उखाड़ बैठी।
They
चलिए,
are very strong and healthy, no? Muscles.
feel very weak.
In their diet, they have the proper pure desi ghee.
Did I miss it? Did I miss it?
This is all about the spinning wheel. So you can see the door over here.
ये दरवाजा और ये दरवाजा हमें याद है ये कहाँ से दरवाजा और कैसे आया, क्योंकि देव सर ने कई बार जिक्र किया था मेरे से।
Which is the Sikh symbol that is written over here. This is halfly written, but it is there. So this is the engraving picture. This is also the engraving picture. This is the Lord Krishna and the Radha. They are engraving over it. So this is the Hindu gods we can see. So this is a very we can see flowers. They are embedded over it. And so much of their hard work is done. So this is the yes. It is the door over there.
Where did it belong? On the school?
No, this is from the Haveli, a big Haveli over in the inside the city. We have purchased it from the we can say from the kabads and all from the from the forever. So we have polished it again, and again we have make it a whole look. This is also very heavy in weight, and we can say you can see this Doomchand and the different names of the. Yes, so the names that is also written. Honor of the house, honor of the house or the Haveli, where from this door is from. Yes.
तो कितने फुट ऊंचा, कितने फुट चौड़ा, और ये हवेली का है दरवाजा। यही अंकिता मैम APS आत्म पब्लिक स्कूल की MD
All the symbols are over there.
और प्रिंसिपल कम MD। तो ये देव सर के नाम से सभी जानते हैं। हजारों बच्चे यहाँ से पढ़ के शिक्षा के नए नए आयाम स्थापित कर रहे हैं। वहाँ की तस्वीरें भी हम आपको दिखा तो ही चुके हैं, लेकिन अब हम आपको दिखा रहे हैं ये तस्वीरें। लाइव हाट न्यूज ये है, तो बहुत ही ऐतिहासिक क्षण।
This is the real face of the Bajaj. So actually, real face. No, we have not made it. No. This is also again from something, yes, antique.
तो आगे एक ऐसा म्यूजियम जिसे वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड, कई वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड, और वो हम आपको तस्वीरें दिखाएंगे। ऐसे म्यूजियम की कुछ चीजें हम आपको दिखाएंगे जो वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड बन चुकी हैं और बनेगी, तो वो तस्वीरें हम आपको।
And the fossils of, like you can say, this is the fossil of the tail part of dinosaur.
Wow. Do we know what sort of dinosaur?
This is again so hard.
This is the last part of tail.
Yes.
तो डायनासोर के पार्ट
That last
ये है।
Where was this found?
Where we can say. We can say. Yes.
In case
Again,
everyone goes
this
and
is
digs
This is
again-
a part of mammoth.
mammoth. Okay.
This is a double mouth snake.
Double mouth snake.
डबल मुहर सांप के अवशेष।
First mouth, second mouth, and third mouth.
That would be quite scary to come across.
Yeah, it's called as in India. It was called as Bhashkunath.
Bashnath snake.
Bhashkunath.
Wow.
This is the mammoth.
Mammoth?
Elephant.
Woolly mammoth?
Mammoth
Yes.
elephant. And then this is the starfish.
Starfish
Oh,
fossil.
sweet.
Starfish.
That is actually a fossil.
Yes, this is actually a fossil. Thousands of years, after thousands of years, we make it.
Oh, my God. How's that? That good?
How's that?
तो
So these are the shells. Number of shells are over there.
This is pretty.
Yeah. This is also
Bark
part
of
the
the
stem.
stem,
Yes.
the stem. Okay. So, and these
You
are
can
the
see that
apples.
bond which is embedded in the stone.
Do we know what the bone is from? An animal.
Yes. Yeah. Some sort of the animals.
तो
These are the manuscripts, and the manuscripts are like.
हरभजन सिंह की वाइफ भी साथ है, बिजली मंत्री पंजाब के, ब्रिटिश
Yes.
आर्मी-
This we
आर्मी के
can
साथ।
from the Himalaya slope.
और साथ
Over
में
there, these are from
बॉलीवुड
the
के प्ले
Burj Pathar.
सिंगर
I'm not going to touch them because
डॉक्टर चंद्रकला सिंह।
Yeah, it is engraving part, and the ink is filled over there.
so it is engraved and then filled.
And then yes, firstly engraving is there, and then ink is filled over it. And this is the handwritten calligraphy of religious holy books. Handmade books are there.
तो बहुत ही हस्तलिखित पुस्तकें।
ਸਾਰੇ ਭੋਜਪੱਤਰ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਨਗ੍ਰੇਵ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਸ ਨਾਲ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਸੀ।
Not in the big institute, not from the trustee. This is the privately we have collected. As we have told you, my father used to
तो ये है
collection, and after that we have collected day by day. That was increasing and made it a private museum.
Such a special thing to do.
Yeah, so many special things are there. So these are the coins starting from the Panchmark coins till the British India, as you know all the yes.
These all are 2600 years old.
2600.
2600 साल पुराने सिक्के हैं ये।
So these are only the part of it. We can say the 1/4 of the collection of the coins we have displayed here. But
Gold. Yeah.
Gold coins. These all are Shan dynasty and Greek dynasty.
all so many dynasties. The description is written over here. There are Indo-Greek coins are there.
Do the students ever get to see them?
Definitely, they also get to see this as a practical knowledge, as to gain the knowledge about the history, as to gain the knowledge about our traditional culture, which we are defining them as we have shown here. So there are different types of the exhibitions in the school. At the time
डॉक्टर गुरिंदर पाल जी भी हैं हमारे साथ, जो ये डेलीगेशन लेके यहाँ पे आए हैं। हम उनसे भी बात करेंगे, लेकिन लाइव तस्वीरें हैं, पहले हम ये देख लें।
Not just
to practically see the truth. Yes.
can't just tell them they see it.
Basic part.
Besides the book study, this is the best institute who gives them the complete knowledge to every.
Otherwise, you know, students get bored of why do they study the history? Yeah.
तस्वीरें कहानी सिक्कों की। खोटा सिक्का 50 लाख की कीमत ब्रिटिश गवर्नमेंट दे रही थी, पर देव दर्द
So after the
इन
first
सिक्कों का
World
दर्द
War, for
जानते
the
थे देव
commemoration
सर।
of the soldiers, so that is also called as the memorial plaque at the dead men's pennies.
So in 1918,
Yes.
Given by the British
British
government.
government, yes, totally given
was it given to the family?
given to the family, given to the soldier, and you can see the name of a person that is also written here in the capital letters, and there is mentioned over here he died for the freedom.
ये जो वो शील्डें हैं जो वहाँ पे शहीदों को मिली जाती थी, लेकिन शहीदों के
And we also have the Guinness Book
परिजनों ने
World Record
कबाड़ के भाव बेच दिया।
for the collection. Yes.
So they were given by the British government.
ये शहीदों के तमके हैं जो कबाड़ में मिले हैं, और इन्होंने देव ने इनको, देव सर ने इनका दर्द समझा, म्यूजियम का हिस्सा बने। वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है, इतने सबसे ज्यादा सिक्के ऐसे तमके रखने का वर्ल्ड रिकॉर्ड है देव दर्द जी के नाम। तो हम ऐसी कहानी, एक ऐसे कवि, एक ऐसे शायर और एक ऐसे यूं कहें शिक्षा जगत के एक ऐसे, चलिए बाद में बताएंगे।
And during the time when a bride was given these jewelry to the in-laws, they gave the jewelry to the bride, and the Mica side and the mother side, they give the jewelry to the bride. So this is the made of silver. Yes. It's not gold, it's totally made of silver.
Yeah.
And there is also, this is also written in the Punjabi, because this is a Punjabi culture. The here accessory. Like,
ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਕਿਸ ਕੋ ਦ ਡੈਥ ਪੈਨੀ ਹਰਦਿਤ ਸਿੰਘ
these are the medals.
From
As you are also having it.
To the Indians.
World War One and Two. So you've got the French star there, Mum. You've got World War Two stuff there. World War One victory medals. You've got the death penny. Some interesting ones.
These
I've
all
tried
are
to
British
find out
India
about them. Thank you for
तो अपने पूर्वजों की और देश के पूर्वजों के सिक्के देखते हुए एक दल आया है जो लंदन से।
This is Morris
From
Edgar.
your ancestors, actually. So these are the things which you have given to us into the Indian soldiers. So as we can say, as an asset, we have collected.
Thank you for looking after them.
तो तस्वीरें
So this is a collection which is made up of pure silver and the gold is over there. Yes. So there is a load into yes, Vishnu. These are different avatars. You can say faces, two faces. Yes, and people also have those lots of faith on Lord Vishnu. Yes. So this is a collection from the king of Shardpur, which we have collected from the single place. This is the only collection which we have given.
This is the royal one.
Yes, it's a royal. I have also defined it. Yes.
This is the rare one.
Yeah.
This is the figure of Vishnu Bhagwan.
दिखाइएगा जरा जी।
This is also sacred.
अरे
इसको temples में blow
ये बहुत ही अनूठा संग्रहालय में
This is the Lord Krishna and the dancing posture and that is engraving over. This is silver. So this is baby Krishna. This is some of the naughty. Yeah, that is the engraving part. It's the best part we are having in our collection. So you can see lots of birds are there with those beautiful flowers and the leaves that is totally spread all over it, and it is very well engraved. A very hard work done over it.
Someone spent many hours doing this.
As you can see, this is the message pocket of which is given to the messenger by the king, and it is like this way. So message
राजा को संदेश भेजने का वो है जिसमें आपने अक्सर देखा होगा कि चिट्ठियां पढ़ते हुए राजा जब निकालते थे।
ये देखना। This is the basically actually you don't know about it because this is the main important papers you can see over there, stamp papers you can see that is from the court, you can say that is from the legally some papers which is property as well.
ये जरा राजे संदेश पे थी।
देखिएगा, ₹1 हिंदी में है, बाकी मजमून उर्दू में है। इसका मतलब हिंदी और उर्दू बंटवारा नहीं करती, एक साथ रहती है।
पटियाला
अलग अलग सियासतों से अलग अलग ली गई है प्रत्येक।
ये भी दिखाना मैम, सिलाई मशीन जी।
ये सिलाई मशीन।
यस
सर वो बोले आगे
Yes.
ये भी दिखाना।
दिस इज
Look,
द
it's
जॉर्ज
very
फिफ्थ,
interesting.
piece.
दिस इज द जॉर्ज फिफ्थ
Yeah.
and this is the Victoria. Yes.
The double
That is
faces.
interesting. Both faces.
Yeah, double faces in the same person, in the same picture.
अरे वाह, एक के दो चेहरे। तो क्या कारीगरी, कलाकारी है और क्या कारीगरी। वाह,
Lassi for the Punjabi tradition lassi. So this much of the milk, buttermilk, yeah.
Even milk also.
Curd, lassi, milk.
जब
You can see
रेलगाड़ी स्टार्ट हुई,
when the train got started.
When was that then? So, 18... Holding class
पोते हैं कि नहीं?
तो
These all are lamps from the Birmingham, London, UK.
ये देखिए, ये है रेलगाड़ी, ये है कलाकारी। तो कलाकारी की रेलगाड़ी, आगे चलते हैं।
And you can see right
अरे वाह, जवाहरलाल नेहरू, पंडित जवाहरलाल नेहरू और 14 नवंबर, बस कुछ ही घंटों बाद। तो ये धरोहर है।
now in the modern times we are also using in the bars, the temples are for the decoration purposes. Yes, we know, like in the disco and in the clubs. Yeah, this is the surmedani. You can see all like you can see you can have to put on the eyeliner. Yes, here is
Bright eyeliner, HM pencil, bright
The little brush.
yes. There is a brush. There is a needle over inside it, and the bright we can say black polish is there, and we can use it along with that needle, and as an eyeliner we can use
That's
it
amazing.
just to.
सुरमेदानी के बारे में जान रही थी ब्रिटिश आर्मी की।
So these are the cutlery.
नारी शक्ति।
As you can see, this is the royal cutlery.
ये नारी शक्ति है।
For the
ये है प्लेबैक सिंगर डॉक्टर चंद्रकला सिंह। ये हैं हमारे यहाँ के हरभजन सिंह, यहाँ के बिजली मंत्री पंजाब के, उनकी पत्नी। और ये है ब्रिटिश आर्मी के वहाँ से जो आए हैं। और ये दल है, स्पेशल दल, पहली बार अमृतसर आया है। ये इतिहास रचेगा आतम पब्लिक स्कूल, और रच दिया है इतिहास और भूगोल यहाँ पर आएगा। और ये तस्वीरें तो बहुत, ये तो चंद अभी प्रमाण, अभी तो बहुत ही बड़ा भंडार है। बड़ी चीजें अभी तो आई नहीं, जब आएंगी तो पता चल जाएगा।
This is a very small part of our collection.
या अभी तो सिक्कों का भंडार है।
This is the warrior
chainmail.
Yes, this is the around as you can yes 23 kg of weight.
ये बुलेट प्रूफ जैकेट है क्या?
नहीं सर।
हाँ। अच्छा अच्छा अच्छा, ओके। तो ये तस्वीरें, और ये बहुत ही रॉयल चेयर है ये।
Is this a royal section?
Yes, exactly. That's why we want.
Why is it here?
We know
Can I
that.
hold it?
Yes.
Yes.
Ma'am, please look at the camera.
Green light
Yeah.
now. I get the crack.
Sir, ma'am, please look at the camera. Yeah.
We already knew that you will definitely one day come here and hold this thing, so that's why this
Seems important.
yeah.
very important.
Lovely.
Now it's become
Charles
more
will
lucky.
be very jealous.
After holding it, after holding it becomes more lucky now.
That's amazing.
So that was all about the collection.
Keep trying.
तो अब फिर स्वागत होगा एक बार, और आज तो स्वागत का दिन है। और आज धरोहर इतिहास ये ये तस्वीरें हैं लाइव भारत न्यूज। इधर आ जाओ मैम। तो तस्वीरें तो फंक्शन एनुअल तो नहीं है, लेकिन तो मंच संचालन कौन कर रहा है भाई?
मीनाक्षी मैम।
मीनाक्षी मैम और अच्छा, क्या बात। तो अभी देखो रंगारंग का कार्यक्रम होगा और ब्रिटिश आर्मी भी तृप्त हो जाएगी। सही बात है। मुस्कान बता रही है कि प्रोग्राम बहुत बढ़िया होने वाला है। दोबारा हंसते हुए हम, ये हमारी नारी शक्ति है और ये है हमारे क्या।
Good afternoon, everyone. Here I am Meenakshi with my co-host Tripta ma'am. The world is full of talents and gems, and we are having some of them here to make this event more beautiful.
Good afternoon, one and all present here. On behalf of Atam Public School Management, I extend a hearty welcome and thanks to Sir Dr. Vrinder Pal Singh Johnson, the chairman of Saragadi Foundation, who is instrumental in bringing the British Army delegation from UK to Punjab and especially to our institution. I am very It's immense pleasure for us all to extend a hearty welcome to the British officials who are keen to know about the Punjabi culture, custom and heritage. The British delegation is led by Major General Celia Howell, and according to the available information, she was commissioned into Territorial Army section of the Women's Royal Army Corps in 1987. Along with her, we also welcome the other senior most officers of British Army like Major Virender Singh, Major Daljinder Singh, Captain Baljinder Singh Nijjar, Warrant Officer Ashok Chauhan, Staff Sergeant Manjeet Singh Gaj, Sergeant Tajinder Singh and Pradeep Kaur, Lance Corporal Manpreet Kaur, Maycock and Harmeet Singh. Now I would like to invite our Vice Principal Subhas sir to give an formal welcome for our guest and special guest.
Good afternoon to all who are present here. On behalf of Atom Public School, I welcome all the personalities, all the prestigious members present here. First of all, we together here to enjoy the cultural activity of India and to see the historical monuments of India. तो सबसे पहले मैं आज के हमारे जो चीफ गेस्ट हैं मैडम सुहिंदर कौर, वाइफ ऑफ सरदार हरभजन सिंह ईडीओ, द पावर मिनिस्टर ऑफ पंजाब, उनका वेलकम करता हूँ, स्वागत करता हूँ आदम पब्लिक स्कूल में। एक बार ताली के साथ स्वागत किया जाए हमारे आज के चीफ गेस्ट। नेक्स्ट I welcome Dr. Chandrakala Singh, an eminent personality, a playback singer of Bollywood. आपका भी अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है आदम पब्लिक स्कूल। Today our special guest Sardar Gurinder Pal Singh Joshan, Chairman of Saragadi Foundation. आपका भी अभिनंदन है, स्वागत है हमारे आदम पब्लिक स्कूल में। I also welcome the delegation of British Royal Army जो स्पेशली यूके से चलकर यहाँ पर अमृतसर में एक तो गोल्डन टेम्पल देखने आए हैं और एक स्पेशली आपका स्कूल देखने आए हैं, आदम पब्लिक स्कूल देखने आए हैं और आपका जो हिस्टोरिकल म्यूजियम है उसमें जितनी भी चीजें पड़ी हैं वो देखने आए हैं। उनका भी अभिनंदन है, पूरी टीम का स्वागत है आदम पब्लिक स्कूल। और जैसा कि आप सारे जानते हो कि देव सर फिजिकली इज नॉट प्रेजेंट अमंग अस, बट उनके काफी सारे फ्रेंड्स यहाँ पर आए हुए हैं, उनका भी हम अभिनंदन करते हैं, स्वागत करते हैं हमारे आदम पब्लिक स्कूल में कि जब भी हमें किसी चीज की भी जरूरत होती है तो हमेशा सर की तरह ही हमारे साथ खड़े होते हैं। तो एक बार गिव अ ह्यूज राउंड ऑफ अप्लॉज फॉर ऑल द फ्रेंड्स ऑफ देव। एट लास्ट मैं वेलकम करता हूं और थैंक्स करता हूं हमारी मैनेजिंग कमेटी का, हमारे स्कूल के एमडी प्रतीक सहदेव जी का, हमारे स्कूल के प्रिंसिपल अंकिता मैम का, हमारी मदर कुशल दत्ता जी का और जितने भी मैनेजिंग कमेटी के मेंबर्स हैं उन सभी का। और लास्ट में मैं आपका भी स्वागत करता हूं जितने भी स्टूडेंट यहाँ पर बैठे हैं जो सुबह से हमारे साथ काम कर रहे हैं, हमारी हेल्प कर रहे हैं एक टीचर बनकर, तो आपका भी बेहद अभिनंदन है यहाँ पर। तो आज हम Now today we are gathered here to enjoy the cultural activity of India. I hope the students are ready for this. Without any delay, we proceed the function. Let's have a fun. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Thank you very much, sir. Today we are here to commemorate the 125th anniversary of Battle of Saragadi. It was one of the top unforgettable battles in the history that took place on September 12, 1897 between the 21 brave hearts Sikh soldiers and about 10,000 Afghans. The Sikh regiment led by Havildar Ishwar Singh chose to fight to the death. Such acts are only rare in the history of the world that can never be forgotten. We pay tribute to the martyrs who laid down their lives in this fierce battle. I would like to talk about the Saragadi
foundation. It has inspired a host of artists, books and films, both at our home country and in abroad. The Battle of Sarigari has become iconic of Eastern military civilization. The modern Sikh regiment of the Indian Army continues to commemorate the Battle of Sarigari on 12 September each year as the regimental battle homage day. The British built two Sarigari Gurdwaras, one in the Amritsar very close to the main entrance of the Golden Temple and other in the Firozpur cantonment. If I am talking about the annual exam project, Sarigari annual exam project is one of the unique projects to create a connection between the generation and the history of 21 Sikhs who fought the epic battle of the Sarigari in 1897. This project will bring out the history of that battle out of the books to the mind of the generation, so they can simply inspire from that 21 brave Sikh soldiers.
Thank you, ma'am, for giving the brief information regarding Sarigari Foundation. And now, here we are starting to going the function. I want to tell about the Atham Public School. And in our Atham Public School, no any task or event is accomplished without taking the heavenly blessings of Shri Dev Darshan, who has gone from our side but not from our memories, who has gone from our touch but not from our hearts. He not only laid the foundation of this institution, but also established a great, magnificent museum in this remote area. He was not only a teacher, but a great poet, literary gem, plant lover, and antique collector. And our guests have seen some part of his collection, which includes a huge collection of rare coins from ancient to modern period, utensils from Greek and Buddhist period, terracotta, rare fossils, ink pots, logs, and many other art items, etc. It also includes death plagues given to the soldier or those who died during the First World War, serving the British Army. So I would like to tell Meenakshi ma'am, please tell about the other activities and co-curricular activities about our school.
Yes, sure, ma'am. Our school gives foreign tour to the students who have win the competition of linguistic skills and writing skills. Our school organized in 3 different languages like English, Punjabi and Hindi, and students have to compete with each other in different languages to write and to speak. So this competition is about to speak and write, not only for the students who can read only or who can write only. So the students who have both the school skills, they can win this competition. As I am talking about the teachers also have to get the competition. In this competition, I think I am getting very time, so the teacher is telling about you have to short at the time. So we'll start our cultural activities. We move to the cultural activities starting from the Ganesh Vandana. Vakritunda Mahakaya Surya Koti Samprabha Nirvignam Kurme Deva Sarvakaishu Sarvadha Sarvakaishu Sarvadha. So I want to invite the students of Ganesh Vandana, please come up on the stage and we have to enjoy the Ganesh Vandana.